What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Breezy Baby, and I'm back with another little reaction video for you guys. Hey man, I really appreciate y'all for tuning in and showing y'all love. I really appreciate every single one of y'all. Without y'all, I won't be here. Hey, look, I'm not gonna hold y'all. It's another little learning reaction video, something that we probably want to learn about, or know about. I know it be on some people's minds, and it be on my mind. And if y'all don't know, I know y'all gotta know because it's in the title of what we finna react to. I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Let's get straight into it. But first, I need to put my headphones in. I forgot that I had my speakers on. Give me 1 second while I do that. Ooh. And we in there like swimwear. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's get started.
Earth, our home planet, a tiny blue dot floating in the immense cosmic ocean. Here resides everyone you ever knew, every human who ever lived, every story that was ever told. It's where our journey begins, but as we zoom out, beyond our atmosphere, past the...
Is that what Earth really look like? A lot of y'all, let's get into it. A lot of y'all say the Earth is flat, but how do they have an image of the Earth being round? How is all the other planets that's around us round? When we look into the sky, it's round. Is it flat round? Who knows? Is it round all the way around? Who knows? Is it like a soccer ball, basketball? I mean, y'all sitting over here making it seem like it's just like a stop sign with no curves or nothing in it. Just straight flat round. In the comment section, man, let me know how many of y'all think that the Earth is flat and how many of y'all think that the Earth is round. But we finna get into it, bro.
Moon, beyond the familiar planets and the sun, we embark on an epic quest, a quest to grasp the true scale of our universe. As we leave Earth's embrace, the first marker on our cosmic journey is the Moon. About 384,400 kilometers away, a distance so vast that if you were to drive a car at a constant speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you over 160 days to reach it.
Dang! It would take you 160 days to drive to the Earth if it was drivable. We know it's not possible, but it's just giving you an example how far the Moon is from the Earth. That is crazy. I didn't realize how far the Moon was. Because, you know, us sitting here on Earth and looking up into the sky and seeing the moon, sometimes that moon seems like it's hella close, bro. I know I ain't tripping.
And from this lunar vantage point, Earth appears as a fragile sphere of blues and greens,
like that,
cradled in the black void of space, a sight that puts our existence into a humbling perspective. This is Earth as seen from the moon. As we continue our outward journey, the next milestone is the Sun, lying approximately 1 astronomical unit away from Earth. This unit, equivalent to about 150 million kilometers, is the standard measuring stick for distances in our solar system.
That's far. It need to be a little
Imagine
far
this,
too, because it be
light,
hot from that
traveling
sun.
at an astounding speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to journey from the Sun to Earth. If you were to travel this distance in a commercial jet, flying at 900 kilometers per hour, it would take you about 19 years. This immense...
God dang! But still though, why would you want to fly or drive or anything towards the sun? Because the closer you get to that sun, I know things are going to start melting before you even can get close to it. You need like some type of reinforced metal that's not going to melt so easily or take damage so easily. And it will take you 19 years to get to the sun. That is crazy, my boy. Crazy work.
Distance is a stark reminder of the vastness of space, even within our own solar system. The Sun, a fiery behemoth, provides
Fiery
life-sustaining
behemoth.
energy to our planet from this incredible distance. Venturing beyond our home planet and its solar companion, the Sun, we set our sights on Mars, our enigmatic red neighbor. Mars, at its closest approach to Earth, is about 54.6 million kilometers away. However, this distance can stretch up to 401 million kilometers when the two planets are on opposite.
Now tell me, how many of y'all know exactly how far all these planets are from Earth? How many of y'all sit there and just realize how far these planets are? The moon, the sun, the Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, etc. It's crazy how they breaking it down to the community, the KM and the MI. That's crazy.
Sides of the Sun. To put that in perspective, traveling to Mars at the speed of a commercial jet would take upwards of 50 years.
50
This
years?
vast expanse of space between Earth and Mars has been a significant challenge for space exploration. The rovers and probes we've sent to the Red Planet embark on a journey that is not just far, but fraught with complexities due to the constantly changing distances and orbital dynamics. As we journey to the outermost reaches of our solar system, we encounter Neptune, the distant ice giant. Lying roughly 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth, Neptune marks the edge of our solar neighborhood. Sunlight, racing across the vacuum of space, takes about 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach Neptune from the Sun. This staggering distance showcases the enormity of our solar system. Launched in 1977, the Voyager 1 space probe represents humanity's insatiable curiosity and our desire to explore beyond known boundaries. As of now, Voyager 1 has traveled for over 4 decades, covering a staggering distance of more than 22 billion kilometers from Earth.
And I forgot about Voyager 1. Voyager 1 been in the sky for decades, like you just said. That's how we continue to keep getting our data. I'm sorry, Chad. Hold on. But Voyager 1 is basically it's just what we shot into the space, so that way we can collect data from each planet, or get kilometers and miles, and seeing how like close they are and how far they are. Like, it also let us know if there's like a black hole out there. You know what I'm saying? Like, do your research on that Voyager 1. They're gonna tell you a lot about it. It's been in space for years. Longer than I've been living. Longer than probably my mama been living, bro.
It's the farthest human-made object from our planet, a silent wanderer in the cosmic sea. In 1990, at the suggestion of the renowned astronomer Carl Sagan, Voyager 1 turned its camera back towards Earth for one final photograph. This resulted in the iconic pale blue dot image. At a distance of about 6 billion kilometers from Earth, our planet appeared as a tiny, faint dot in the vast...
Man, it don't look like no dot. It look like a star. Man, that is far, bro. That's far. We look like a little smudge on a wall, bro. That...
of space. Sagan poetically reflected on this image, emphasizing our responsibility to cherish and preserve our only home, a small speck in the immense universe. At the very fringes of our solar system lies the Oort Cloud, a vast theoretical sphere of icy objects. This distant cloud is thought to extend up to a staggering 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun. That's about 1.9 light years, a distance so immense that it's on the cusp of interstellar space. Scientists determine the boundary of interstellar space, known as the heliopause, where the Sun's solar wind is stopped by the interstellar medium. This is where the influence of our Sun ceases and the vast realm of interstellar space begins. The Oort Cloud represents the final frontier of our solar system, a boundary zone where the Sun's influence wanes and the cosmic journey into the galaxy truly begins.
So, this is kind of like some spiritual stuff, man. Like when people say, like, they died or anything like that, and they was walking walking up to like they say they walking up to the heaven gates, and they walking up the stairs like with the clouds and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, and they get to this golden gate or whatever they said it is, and they standing there, and it's like what's going on? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. I wonder if it's like we in space on that outer side that we can't get to, that they are talking about right now. The true galaxy, like, you know, like out there on that side. Is heaven there, or where is you guys think heaven is at?
As we venture beyond the confines of our solar system, our next point of interest is Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our Sun. Located about 41.3 trillion kilometers away, this distance is equivalent to over 276,000 astronomical units. At such colossal distances, the AU, a measure so convenient within our solar system, begins to lose its practicality. Hence, astronomers use the light year, the distance light travels in 1 year, for interstellar measurements. Alpha Centauri is about 4.4 light years away from us. Considering our current space travel technology, a journey to Alpha Centauri is almost unfathomable. For instance, the Voyager spacecraft, traveling at about 17 kilometers per second, would take over 70,000 years to reach this neighboring star system.
Dang.
This immense distance underscores the vastness of space that separates the stars and highlights the challenges of interstellar travel. Our journey now takes us to the grand scale of our home galaxy, the Milky Way.
The Milky
Spanning
Way.
about 100,000.
Boy, that Milky Way sound like a candy bar. But if y'all look at that, man, chat, look Breezy Gang, look at this. If y'all don't know nothing about this, bro, you see how it shows you everything? And then this kind of stuff just reminds me like spiritual stuff, like I feel like souls are just surrounding out there type stuff, because they enjoying life, and they moving around and just have no care. Free air, free way, man. Hey, if y'all don't like this kind of stuff, I don't know what's wrong with y'all. If y'all don't like to educate yourself and learn something, I don't know what's wrong with y'all.
Our journey now takes us to the grand scale of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Spanning about 100,000 light-years in diameter, this vast spiral galaxy is home to hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially hosting their own planetary systems. Within this immense structure, there's a tiny sphere known as the human radio bubble, extending about 100 light-years from Earth. This bubble represents the farthest extent of human influence in the cosmos, the reach of our radio and television broadcasts into space. Beyond this bubble, it's as if humanity never existed. Any civilizations residing in the vast majority of our galaxy would be oblivious to our presence, given that our signals haven't reached them yet.
Get out of here. So you telling me that there may be possible other species or other human beings out in that area that we haven't even gotten to? Like, that's tough to try to understand and know that, because it makes you think, is there really life out there? Like, drop in the comments and let me know, would you want to go and explore to go see if there's any other human life in space somewhere else?
The scale of the Milky Way is so vast that our entire recorded history is but a whisper in the cosmic wind, undetectable beyond this small bubble.
That's crazy.
As we leave the Milky Way, we enter the vast, almost incomprehensible realm of intergalactic space. Here, galaxies float in the cosmic ocean, separated by mind-boggling distances. Our galaxy is part of a small cosmic neighborhood known as the Local Group, a cluster of more than 50 galaxies spread across approximately 10 million light-years. The Local Group is a diverse assembly, including not just spiral galaxies like the Milky Way and Andromeda, but also a multitude of smaller dwarf galaxies.
What do we mean by dwarf galaxies? Like, does that mean like other people that lives in those galaxies, or or like other things that's like out there. Like what do dwarf mean? Like I need to look that up. Like what do they mean dwarf? Hold on, chat. Let's hold on. Let me pull this up real quick. I gotta see. All right, it says dwarf galaxies are small dorm galaxies connecting from 1,000 to a few billion stars. For a few, then the Milky Way, hundreds of billions, often organize larger galaxies like Saturn, and they are the most common galaxy types in the universe. That's crazy. Some are like rich in gas and ongoing stars. That's crazy, bro.
Distances here are so vast that light from one end of the local group to the other would take 10 million years to traverse. This scale dwarfs anything within our own galaxy, underscoring the enormity of the universe. Intergalactic space is a silent expanse, a vast wilderness between the islands of galactic light. In this immense void, our galaxy, home to our entire history, is just a tiny speck among many, a single story in the grand cosmic library.
Dang.
As we extend our cosmic gaze beyond the local group, we encounter the colossal Virgo Supercluster, an immense collection of galaxy groups and clusters, including our own local group.
There is so many local groups, and they saying that our galaxy is just a small little speck. So there may be human life out on different planets, bro. There may be other species out on different planets, bro. Imagine our little speck of our dwarf galaxy. Bro, this is mind-blowing. Like, if you really think about what he just said, and then now he's breaking it down on how many. He said that we was only a speck. If you don't know what a speck is, look it up. That's not so big. That's crazy, bro.
Encompassing a region of space about 110 million light-years in diameter, or 33 megaparsecs, the Virgo Supercluster is a titanic structure in the universe, containing thousands of galaxies from at least 100 galaxy groups and clusters, each with their own myriad stars and planets.
That's crazy.
As we journey outward from the Virgo Supercluster, we arrive at an even more staggering cosmic structure, the Laniakea Supercluster. This immense congregation of galaxies, which includes the Virgo Supercluster and extends over 500 million light-years, is our galactic home on a grand scale. Laniakea, meaning immense heaven in Hawaiian, truly lives up to its name. Containing the mass...
It emits heaven in Hawaii. Go back. What he named it? What he say it was named?
Scale. Laniakea, meaning...
Laniakea. Laniakea. Hold on, did I say that right?
Million light-years is our galactic home on a grand scale. Laniakea, meaning immense heaven in Hawaiian, truly lives up to its name. Containing the mass of 100 million billion suns, Laniakea is a gravitational...
100 million billion suns? What? 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 Billion. Billion is not... Man, I'm telling y'all, bro. My mind is getting blown by listening to this. And I never knew nothing about this until now. Like, I'm actually learning it now. Just like you may be learning, or you probably already knew about it. But I'm just now getting my foot wet in this. And knowing this stuff is like mind blowing because it makes me want to think. It's probably so much stuff out there, bro, that we haven't even got to see. Or we may not even ever see.
Masterpiece, with galaxy clusters, superclusters, and countless celestial bodies bound in a cosmic web of attraction and motion. At the heart of Laniakea lies the Great Attractor, a mysterious region of space that exerts a massive gravitational pull on the galaxies within this supercluster. In this vast expanse, our Milky Way, the entire local group, and even the Virgo Supercluster are just tiny components of this gigantic structure.
Tiny components.
Laniakea provides a profound context for our existence. In this immense supercluster, we are part of something far greater and more majestic than we can fully comprehend. As we reach the boundaries of our cosmic exploration, we encounter the limits of the observable universe, an astronomical marvel stretching about 93 billion light-years in diameter.
93 billion
This begs a
light-years.
fascinating question. If the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, how can it be so vast? The answer lies in the nature of cosmic expansion. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, stretching space and increasing distances between celestial bodies.
I'm tripping, Chad.
But what lies beyond the observable universe?
I'm tripping, Chad.
This remains one of the greatest mysteries of cosmology. Some regions of space are expanding away from us faster than the speed of light.
I'm sorry, Chad. I'm gonna have to go back. I'm sorry, because I know you guys heard all of that, but y'all didn't get to see what I was seeing and seeing that I was shocked. I'm so sorry, bro. Let me take y'all back. Where were we? Let's go back here. I didn't realize that the video wasn't on the screen. I apologize. Don't hang me for it.
Cosmic gaze beyond the local group, we encounter the colossal Virgo Supercluster, an immense collection of galaxy groups and clusters, including our own local group. Encompassing a region of space about 110 million light-years in diameter, or 33 megaparsecs, the Virgo Supercluster is a titanic structure in the universe, containing thousands of galaxies from at least 100 galaxy groups and clusters, each with their own myriad stars and planets. As we journey outward from the Virgo Supercluster, we arrive at an even more staggering cosmic structure, the Laniakea Supercluster. This immense congregation of galaxies, which includes the Virgo Supercluster and extends over 500 million light-years, is our galactic home.
Do y'all know how many light years? What do they mean? 5 million light years. Like, I'm speechless. Like, how can you calculate that? Like, 5 million light years. Let me see how long that is real quick, chat. So how long is, hold on, let me fix that. I put is twice. Let me correct that. So 5 million light years is equivalent of, it don't even break it down really. It says 2.94 times 10 over 23 miles. Man, bro, wait, there gotta be somebody explaining that, how many years that is. So break it down, it is 5.88 trillion. Wait, I lied. Lights we decide tonight left 500 years ago is currently 500 years old news. Okay, we're not even finna get into that. it's not giving me what I'm looking for, which is crazy. I
On
probably
a
asked
grand
the wrong
scale.
question.
Laniakea, meaning immense heaven in Hawaiian, truly lives up to its name. Containing the mass of 100 million billion suns, Laniakea is a gravitational masterpiece with galaxy clusters, superclusters, and countless celestial bodies bound in a cosmic web of attraction and motion. At the heart of Laniakea lies the Great Attractor, a mysterious region of space that exerts a massive gravitational pull on the galaxies within this supercluster. In this vast expanse, our Milky Way, the entire local group, and even the Virgo Supercluster are just tiny components of this gigantic structure.
Virgo Supercluster. That is crazy. That is crazy. Look at all of this that's inside of this.
Laniakea provides a profound context for our existence. In this immense supercluster, we are part of something far greater and more majestic than we can fully comprehend. As we reach the boundaries of our cosmic exploration, we encounter the limits of the observable universe, an astronomical marvel stretching about 93 billion light-years in diameter. This begs a fascinating question. If the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, how can it be so vast? The answer lies in the nature of cosmic expansion. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang,
That's dope.
stretching space and increasing.
Man, do space really look like this, bro? Like, in certain areas, you know how when they brung up the map and it showed this in different areas? Like, I wonder, what is that? What is that? Like, what creates this look right here? What creates this? I want to know, chat. I'm very curious, and I want to know what creates that. What lighting or what is it that's creating all of that? But then again, he did say in some of these areas it do have millions of suns. Because if you really do look at it, like that's a sun, 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 sun. You know what I'm saying? Like, it may be mixed with moons, like moon, 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 moon. I don't know. I want to know. I'm curious.
Distances between celestial bodies. But what lies beyond the observable universe? This remains one of the greatest mysteries of cosmology. Some regions of space are expanding away from us faster than the speed of light, placing them forever out of our view. Consequently, the true size of the entire universe remains unknown and potentially infinite.
Oh my God.
The observable universe, vast as it is, might just be a tiny fragment of the entire cosmic expanse. We are left with the humbling realization that there might always be regions of space, entire galaxies and wonders, that we will never witness as they retreat endlessly into the depths of the ever-expanding universe.
Hey, chat. First thing first, I want to apologize. I didn't know that I hit a button to where it took the video down for you guys. That's why I went back. I apologize. Thank you for your patience on that. But I'm saying, though, if you haven't learned nothing, go and look this stuff up and learn some history. Learn something about our space. Learn something about our Earth. Learn something about anything that you are curious about, because I'm telling you, knowledge is very fruitable for your brain. So if you don't take nothing from this video, just take that knowledge and reading is very fruitful for your brain. It helps you understand a lot more things sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So don't stay stuck in your bubble and be like this, that, and the third, and you really don't really know what you're talking about. So with that being said, Breezy Gang, I appreciate y'all for hanging in. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to hold y'all too much longer because this video is getting a little too long. And I want to say thank you for y'all support and continue to keep supporting your boy. Get me out there in that algorithm. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Forward it to whoever you want to forward it to. Share it to whoever you want to share it to. Amen. I want to say thank you. And Breezy Gang out of here. Later.